Welcome back with Hurricane Humberto. Currently 85-mile-per-hour winds is expected to become Category 2 tonight, Category 3 tomorrow night, and will weaken as it approaches Bermuda and post-tropical cyclone as it approaches the North Atlantic. So there's a setup there. Appears to have an eye open up, in the later runs. And the models, some of the models have it go towards Maine and Nova Scotia, but that doesn't appear to be the case. So with that, that's it. Stay safe. See you in the next video.